I've had this theory, and tell me whether you agree with this or no. So I feel every long-standing relationships should tick these 4 C's. So first is connection. That you should instantly feel that spark, that connection, that there has to be thing that, okay, we both align with each other.
Right.
That's the first step. Then there should be a little bit of chemistry.
Right.
That every time you look at this
like
person,
fireworks.
you firework, you want to tease, you want to spark, right?
Yeah.
These are the 2 things which are basic. This is what happens with most of the people you're going to meet if they're attractive in their own world.
Right.
This will happen.
Right.
But the short term gets long term when you attach compatibility to it.
True.
So third is you need to test compatibility. Are you both ready to adjust with each other or no?
Right.
And when you make this long term relationship and you want this to continue, the fourth and the most important thing, which I feel both the partners mess up big time, is celebration.
I agree.
They stop celebrating little things.
I agree.
They start taking the other partner
For granted.
I wouldn't even say granted. They just feel like, hey, this is with me. This is it.
Yeah.
There's
I don't
nothing
need
to
to
be
work
celebrated for. Like, I don't
True.
need to celebrate my little tea with her.
Right.
I don't need to celebrate my, let's say, my big movie day with her. Or I don't need to celebrate like a dinner date with her.
Right.
It just, she's she.
Yeah.
What Rose Day, what Valentine's. Right. And I think that's where people mess up.
Yeah.
The little celebration, if you make sure that it keeps going on, then only the other 3 C's work out, or else it won't.
I agree. I completely agree with you.
You agree with this?
Yeah, absolutely.
Because I used to think about it because I read relationships a lot. And I would always look at my mom and dad and be like, what are the good things I can learn and what are the bad things I want to avoid? And then I would do that with my relationships as well. And because I was fortunate to be surrounded with women in my life, that my sisters, my mother, my buddy ma, so I was always seen from the women's perspective, and I saw and I felt somewhere that in India specifically, I can't talk about abroad, women are very less celebrated in the houses.
Yeah.
So I feel that is one like really thing which people need to start doing.
I really agree with you.
Yeah, you do.
I do absolutely agree with you. So recently we were, so Aryaman had gotten some flowers and a little gift for his girlfriend. So, I told him later, I said, don't ever stop that. I remember, we had gone out for dinner, all 4 of us, and we were doing something and whatever. But dinner ke liye gaye the 4 jan. And I remember Maurya saying that. He said, Mom, you're the only one who keeps things alive. We are all chill. We're like, haan, theek hai, okay, whatever. What's the need to go out, or where's the need to do this? So it's very important. Don't change that, which is a fact. And it takes a lot of effort to maintain it, because when you're not getting it, samne se, you also become like that. True. To hell with it, mujhe bhi nahi karna.
That is so true.
Yeah.
Wow. You have put me in deep thoughts of everyone who's trying to celebrate and keep things chill around me.
And this is just
and I'm trying to kill it because I'm just too focused and ambitious.
And the thing is, it's just, forget you're doing it for someone else. It's like, I looked forward to this chat. I was really looking forward to it. I'm having a great time. That's how I want to do this. It's not just like, acha, I've come, I do this regularly, or, it's not like that. So I remember during the lockdown, my birthday, and the way Aryaman and Maurya did it for me, all 3 of them, it was really sweet. So
what did they do?
So they gave me a basket. Until evening, I'm thinking, kuch nahi hai, what, like, I was like, and I get very phudak about my birthday. Like, I start telling people every day, अरे मेरा birthday आ रहा है, मेरा birthday आ रहा है, विपुल को phone करके याद दिलाओ. Like, I plan my own surprise parties. I decide who's going to come, what flowers I will do, all of that. So I was very like, So they've given me this big basket, which has obviously come from my house only. Some Diwali ki basket hogi. It's gotten a note which says, welcome to the beach party. You need to wear this, you need to have this, you need to have this, you need to have this. In that basket, there is one beach dress of mine, my flip-flops, my one bracelet and anklet, because I like wearing anklets, and some flowers in that basket. So it was like, you have to go and dress up like that.
Cute.
And then they had done the table, like, they had actually done the table the way I would do it, like candles and all of
Properly.
that. And then they said, okay, now you can go for your party. So outside the TV room, den or whatever, you have to show your entry card and all that. So I showed my entry card and I went inside, and they'd planned a Zoom, and all my friends were in beach dresses with flowers and a drink. So it was so lovely. So I have to give it to them.
That is so
Yeah, it was
cute.
really
That is
sweet.
Really good.
It was really sweet.
अगर ऐसे और भी बहुत इंसाइटफुल शॉर्ट्स और क्लिप्स देखनी है तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो.